I can't read it. I have no eyeglasses. I know, but hello.
Memories like the corners of my mind, like the corners of my mind. Misty watercolored memories, misty watercolor memories of the way we were, of the way we were. Scattered pictures, scattered pictures of the smiles we left behind, of the smiles we left behind, smiles we gave to one another, smiles we gave to one another, for the way we were, for the way we were. Memories may be beautiful and yet what's too painful to remember, simply choose to forget.
So it's laughter.
So it's laughter.
We will remember.
We will remember. Whenever we remember. Whenever we remember. The way we